I'm excited. Have not been to this Dollar Tree in quite a while. It's one of my faves. Let's see what we can get in here. I walked in and I found these glittery little flower hanging decor in the summer section. I have not seen these before, so they have it in this green. They have it in the pink and the yellow. The yellow, I have to say, has a very gold tint to it. And you gotta love these flamingos that you can, I guess they're like little yard stakes. Those would look really cute lining your walkway for summer. But you gotta look out because some of them are dented. And they have more of these really pretty summer colored organizing bins. This one is sort of like the locker bins but smaller, and then you have these ones, and then you have the square dry erase, and over here are some more of those. So keep your eye out for these really pretty organizing options. And as you can see, they have gotten these shoe box or storage boxes, but they also call these shoe boxes, and all these pretty summery. These ones are all see-through, and they have it in that light green, this turquoise, the cobalt, the peach. Down here they've got this bright pink. They have a ton of them. I think I'm going to pick up a couple of those ones up there. There's more storage over here. They've got these round baskets and these colors in the square bins, as well as these turquoise options in the laundry baskets. A lot of red. And over here they've got some pink, gray. There's a lot of noise in here, you guys, but I wanted to show you, this is in the graduation section. They have these candy dishes in the teal, and they have some more of these candy jars, which I don't like, so let's just fall right off. And some of these small candy jars. Lots of 4th of July. I've never seen these before. These are clear zipper seal bags, and they come in a 3.8 inch by 5.7, so I grabbed some of those. Here's a bunch of the Father's Day gift items. Beard trimming cape. Interesting. That's weird. There's some more Dad's Day stuff. These little signs. Toolboxes. Here are the Father's Day bags. I'm right by the register, so it's kind of noisy. Really noisy. But all this Father's Day stuff. Here are some Father's Day cards by Hallmark. I need to pick up a couple of cards. I didn't see the homemade cards this time. Oh, wait. Look what's over there, you guys. Going. Nothing new on here. I don't know, these swans would be cute for a wedding. These little lanterns are cute. You could do a cute DIY with those. Some gnomes and some trailers. Those are repeats. Somebody is squeaking a dog toy. And then over here, they have the little lips, and I was looking for those, so I will pick up one of these pink ones. They have it in purple and red. They have some more of these little LED hanging lamps, and I know I've showed them before, but keep looking for those because I made a cute chandelier with them. I found this hairpin plant stand in gold and bent the legs out, added those lamps to it, and a chain, and voila. What do you guys think? They have quite a few of the Jot pegboard system, so I'm going to grab some more of these adhesive. These things are so sticky, you guys. And I did have the medium hooks in the white, but I want these large ones because they're extra long. Oh, they do have some of the white ones. Cool. I need 2 more of those. See anything else that I don't have here? I think I have everything else. I don't have any of these. Oops. I'll grab some of those. I have these shelves back in, so I like these ones because you don't have to put the thing in the back on these. It's already knotted for you, so I'm going to grab a couple of those. Haven't seen them in a while. And then they have these, some garden stuff here. Not a lot. Stuff we've already seen, and the gardening gloves. Lots of yarn. Lots of different colors. Of course, lots of bows. We looked at those last time. So this is new to me. I have not seen this gaming party stuff. So they have the swirl decoration, the centerpiece, the banners, and the wall mural, which is 42 by 72, so it's pretty big. And then they have the plates, the napkins, the smaller plates. These are so cute, you guys. If you have a child that loves gaming, for sure. Here's all of the beach and sand toys, pool toys, cute little watering buckets, elephant, and a whale. I think these are adorable. And they have all of these. You get quite a few in here for $1.25. I love these ones that you can put in the pool. You wind them up. The lobster, the shark, and the little sea turtle. I think I bought those last year. These shovels are pretty cool. Look at these giant bottles of bubbles. I don't know why you'd buy these bubbles, small ones, when they have these extra large ones. Lots of squirt guns, more cute bubbles, more squirt guns, frisbees, giant buckets, some badminton stuff for the beach. They have a ton of sandals and flip-flops for children here, and all different styles and colors. There's a good variety of sizes, even very small ones. If you make it through a summer with these, that is good. Look at all of these. This one's adorable. Pina colada recipe right on your flip-flops. And down here you've got a margarita recipe. They need one for a mojito. We are in the toy section. See if they have any new toys. They have these collector showcases back in. They have these Jurassic World dinosaurs. A few different ones. Velociraptor. And the Stegosaurus. The Dimetrodon. Any others back here? I see a Triceratops back here. Yeah. Here is a Tyrannosaurus. And I know my niece is looking for the Toy Story ones. I'm going to find out if she needs any of these, because we have a lot here. We're in the books, and I'm going to try and show you as many as possible. I picked this one up here, the memory code. Live, love, lead. Ready or not, preparing our kids to thrive in an uncertain and rapidly changing world. Every bone a prayer. What's this one? Growing old. Notes on aging with something like grace. Interesting. Feel it out. It's for a young person. And let's see, what else do we have here? Voice lesson for parents. What to say, how to say it, and when to listen. See a theme here with parenting books. Permanent record. Forest bathing. I'm not sure what that is, but I bought this one as a gift to keep in my gift stuff. I'll have to look at that. The Me I'm Meant to Be. I think that's as far as I can get in here, you guys. Don't buy these. They don't work. Here's something you can still get under $1.25. Poster boards. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please leave a like, as it helps my channel to grow, and comment below and let me know what you're putting on your wish list. Until the next time I talk to you guys, stay positive, hopeful, and always stay kind. Bye.